Curious about the 2024 Ford Maverick Fuse Box diagram and its location? In this guide, we'll explore where to find the fuse box in your Maverick and how to understand its diagram for quick troubleshooting. Under hood fuse box. The 2024 Ford Maverick Underhood Fuse Box provides primary power distribution for key systems like the engine and cooling fans. It features a compact, weather-resistant design for easy access and protection. Body Control Module Fuse Box. The 2024 Ford Maverick Body Control Module BCM Fuse Box manages key electronic systems like lights and power windows. It offers easy access under the dashboard and provides low-amp circuit protection for interior components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. Stay road ready with the advanced instrument cluster and warning lights, ensuring a safer, smoother diving experience. Thanks for watching.